Hi, Melissa. Sambolo. I've been to South Africa 5 times. Actually, I was just talking to my friends there saying we need to make it happen again. I love South Africa. I do have a practitioner there, but she doesn't practice anymore. She's over in Port Edward on the Umtamvuna River with her place, but her daughter has a lot going on. And in China, no. China, I've been there a couple of times as well, and I don't have a practitioner there. I have practitioners in Australia, will be probably the closest in Vietnam, but not that's working in that area. You have to do what I told you to do. It's not about helping a brachial plexus injury. People get caught up in the diagnosis. You have to let the body move better. It's a different concept. But again, that crossing midline, those 6 exercises, just those free exercises, working on the breathing, all that will work with a brachial plexus. But if you go after just that range of motion and you're not working with the whole body, especially with a baby, you're going to miss the mark, right? Just start with those simple exercises and go from there. And that's where you get the success that you need. But for people that are worried about it, even cerebral palsy, if there's been an injury to the brain, that's cerebral palsy. So the cerebral palsy, if it's happened, has happened, right? But you need to work on weight transfer, transitional skills, and rotational movements. Those are what gets functional movement and development. The problem with, again, many diagnoses is, first of all, many diagnoses, or all diagnoses that happen, take away the rotational qualities in some way, shape, or form from the human body. And so that's where you have the first glitch, right? And then with CP and so forth, then that's where you have the axis like that. You can do my CP warning course. It's free. Start with that and go from there. But it doesn't matter if they have CP or not. It doesn't matter if they have autism. We got to start working on the functional movement. That's what changes the brain. That's what changes the body. And so it can, in a sense, lessen the severity or in a sense, wipe it out, depending on when you catch or get at it and the concentration you put into that. But what happens is everybody waits for these extremes to happen in CP, and then they start doing the services. And that's where you're chasing your tail. So, and that's why I address concerns and say what's going on, but again, how to work around it. Do what I asked you to do and do the follow-up on that and go from there.